Hi, in this video you're gonna learn how to create different versions of the agreement and how to make them selectable when you're posting the portals. Well, so first of all, you're gonna go to the template manager right here at the top, select agreements. As you can see, these two agreements, which are samples obviously, have this symbol, which is the word agreement, between two double brackets on each side, right? So if we are going to post the portal now and select between agreements, it's going to be only two. We can prove that pretty quickly. We're going to do that just so we are kind of sure. So I have one sample, and you can see that if I select, I'm gonna select between two agreements. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and gonna select again. I'm gonna go back to the template manager I meant, and I'm gonna go back to the agreements category, and I'm gonna add this one. And in order to add this one to the selection, obviously if we needed to create our own, probably I will go to one that is correct, and then I could duplicate it by using this the duplicate button, and then I can modify it. But since we're talking about how to be selectable, I will type agreement like this with a double bracket. That's all, and then I will save this particular. So now we have three that have the symbol. Okay, so if I go to the context now and I use these, I will have three, and that's it. That's how do you select one or a different one, or you can add or even reduce if you want. So I hope that this has been helpful, and thanks.